Hello and welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations, and on today's episode we are making Mexican street corn. Normally it's done on the grill. As you can see from the title, we will be using an air fryer. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we are going to remove the outer layer of the corn husk. So what I like to do is basically break the bottom and peel. After removing the corn husk, go ahead and place it on a plate. Here are my corn. I normally get my corn from the farmer's market, and guys, let me tell you, they are amazing. If you can get your corn from a local farmer's market, go ahead and do that because the corn tastes so much better, guys. But anyway, so I am going to do is grab some unsalted butter and I'm going to melt it in the microwave. Now take your melted butter and brush your corn. After brushing our corn with some butter, we are going to preheat our air fryer. So press the roast button to 400 Fahrenheit. Okay, now it's time to add in our corn. So we are going to set the timer for 15 minutes and make sure that you keep an eye on them so they don't burn. Okay guys, so while our corn are roasting, we are going to get started with our Mexican cream. So I am going to pour our Mexican cream in a bowl, some chipotle chili, juice of 1 lime, and some salt. Go ahead and give this a good mix. And here is our Mexican CREMA. So go ahead and place this in the fridge until you are ready to use it. Okay guys, our corn are out of the air fryer. So what you want to do now is take your cream and we are going to add it to all our corn. Now take your chipotle chili powder and sprinkle on top. Take your Mexican cheese. Now finish it with some cilantro. Hey guys, my Mexican street corn is ready and it took me less than 30 minutes to put together. It looks amazing. Take a look. Thank you so much for cooking with me today and I'll catch you guys later.